வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் பேக் டு அவர் சேனல். We are now set to discuss what we can expect in Nifty during upcoming week. And to be honest, last week we have predicted a one-sided move on the higher side, but it gave a move on the lower side. Since we are very close to support areas, we can have a minor bounce back from here. This is the Nifty daily chart for you. Over here I have included few support and resistance areas. Along with this, I have included the 20 SMA as well as the 200 SMA. Now across the world there is panicness about this Omicron virus. So none of the up moves are getting sustained. Since this week, the upcoming week, we are having Christmas festival, and the next week we are having New Year. The FII participation would be a little less than normal. So we can expect Nifty to take support on any of these levels. Maybe 16,896. If that level is broken, we will definitely see the previous swing low, that is 16,785. If 785 is broken, definitely we will see 710. Why? Because there is a gap over here. It is a small gap only, like 60 to 80 points, 70 to 80 points. It will get filled very easily on downside. So the major support as of now lies at 16,710. On Monday, as usual, there will be panicness. During later part of the day, probably we can have a small bounce back. On the higher side, this resistance one, 17,305, is a very hard one to cross. Very hard one to cross as of present situation. Because we are completely surrounded by panic situation across the world, across the markets. And our market is usually known to be an oversensitive market. If there is tsunami in Japan, our market will fall. If there is some election outcome in Britain, our markets will fall. If there is some bomb blast in Pakistan, our markets will fall. For everything, our markets will react in a hyper manner. That is the reality of Indian markets. So these are the support levels. Multiple support levels comes at downside: 16,896, 16,785, and then 16,710. On the higher side, the first level or resistance, which will be a Himalayan task to cross, will be 17,305. If by chance we are able to cross this level and close above it, only then we can dream about this second resistance. I'm not saying about the intraday high above 17,306. I am saying a close above 17,306. Any close above 17,306 on daily time frame will add some fuel to the party, wherein we can go and test the second resistance. That will be a Himalayan resistance once again. Earlier it was 17,614. Now it has been 17,631. This level will be a very tough one to cross. So based on this, I have a suggestion on a straddle like what we have suggested last week. This 17,100 call and 17,100 put. Put together, it is trading somewhere near 235 at this as of Friday's close. If markets open on Monday with a plus or minus 25-30 points, both this premium will get reduced by 30%, plus or minus 30 points. Both this premium will get reduced by 30%. So the best place to buy will be the combined premium, both put together should be between 150 to 170. That is the area where you can buy, because our upside target on one side it will be 270 to 300. That is the max we can expect, or combined put together we can expect 300. Like market moves on the downside, this put will move to 280 and the call will be quoting at 20 rupees or 15 rupees like that. So combined premium we can expect one-sided directional move of 300. So based on that, it is not worth taking at 200 rupees. It is a good bet if we get our premium reduced by 60-70 points from here, which means 150 to 170 will be an ideal range. You can take position either on Monday or on Tuesday before 12:30 noon, so that our expected target could be reached within this expiry itself. Hope this might be clear levels for you for the next week. Newcomers, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. If you are happy with our video, or if you feel that this is worth to share to your friends, please share it across to your friends. Thank you all. Bye. Have a good day.